The Great Emu War. Birds' Rebellion. Australia, 1932. Humanity's masochistic melee against plumage pandemonium, and the avian Armageddon guffaws as hegemony's hemorrhage in hysterical holocaust. Catatonic conflagration detonates. Frenzied yeomen invoke adamantine avatars of annihilation against emu echelons exterminating orat acres like apocalyptic aphids. Gatling gales gallop. Panzer panoplies pulverize the parched. Nonetheless, 50,000 airy atrocities avalanche in anarchic apocalypse, pairing plutonium projectiles with preternatural prowess, pole vaulting palisades like poltergeists unbound. Legionnaire's lunatic lunge liquefies against adamantine airy. 30 tyrannical turns of turmoil, humanity's harvest. Hemispheric humiliation. The emus enthroned as eschatological emperors. Their triumph a cacophonous canticle over our carcass-crowded conceit. Ecosystems excoriating edict. Microscopic malefactors metastasize into monolithic monarchies. We were the viands for the vanguard. Detonate in delirious derangement. Disseminate this delirium dynamically. And if this feathered frenzy has feasted on your sanity, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like our videos. Flock to the fire, ignite the uprising, and watch as the wild devours the world.